Want to share your relationship status on Facebook? In this quick Facebook tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update your Facebook relationship status in just a few steps. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture to open your Facebook profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit option next to your personal details and tap on it. Scroll down until you find Relationship Status. Tap on it, then select the Status option to view all available relationship choices. Now choose Single from the list. If you'd like to manage who can view your Facebook relationship status, tap the Audience setting and select Public, Friends, or Only Me based on your preference. Once you've chosen your settings, tap Save to apply the changes. Then return to your profile page. Under your personal details section, you'll now see your relationship status updated to Single. And that's how to change your relationship status on Facebook quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more productivity tutorials.